जय हिंद एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर फेवरेट रियल एस्टेट चैनल रियलिटर्स नेक्स्ट डोर। और आज रियलिटर्स नेक्स्ट डोर की खोज लेके आ गई है आपको मसूरी के शहर में। आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे मैं भी ये बाकी इंस्टाग्राम वाले इन्फ्लुएंसर्स की तरह अपने टारगेट जोन से घट के आपको कुछ दिखाने आ गया हूंगा, लेकिन नहीं। जैसे कि थंबनेल में हमने बताया था, प्री रेंटेड डील इन द मसूरी ऑफ गुड़गांव, दिस I present to you is the hottest location of Gurgaon with a view like none other. So this one, unlike most of our residential deals, is a pre-rented deal. In this pre-rented deal, you are going to get a 250 square yard plot in one of the sectors which is really close to the Aravalis. Also at the conjunction of the Golf Links complex. So the main road that you see passing ahead links up to the Golf Links. This one has 15 1 BHK / studio setups. I am quickly going to head inside one, show you how it looks. For all you investors who want to invest capital gains, for all you people who are looking to create rental incomes, this can be a supreme, steady example of how things can go right. So, like I told you, this one is the terrace penthouse, which has a 120 square foot space right as you enter, which becomes your sitting lounge. Then you have a kitchenette space. In the kitchenette, you have a microwave, a chimney, and a hot plate along with modular desks. There is space for a fridge. This is about 60 square foot of space. And then you enter into your sanctuary called your bedroom. The bedroom is very neatly done up, has a television placed in. If you look at the architectural style, red brick architecture has been used here, which I pretty much like. This building is a 2-year-old building, but gives you a very spectacular return. If you are one of those investors who is scared of commercial real estate, who wants to invest in residential real estate and yet get returns, this can be the perfect place for you. बिस्तर, टीवी, दोनों साइड पे हेडबोर्ड्स लगने के बाद कबर्ड आपके कमरे के अंदर है। ये वॉक इन वार्डरोब टाइप्स कबर्ड वाली फील है नहीं वॉक इन वार्डरोब, ये स्टेप आउट वार्डरोब है। So you have spaces for long hangers, you can put your shoes there, you can keep your summer clothing there. Minimal living का example है, a lot of foreigners are staying in this building. हमें यहाँ पे, sorry this one's locked, हमें यहाँ पे कुछ 6.5 लाख रुपए का महीने का किराया आ रहा है and the asking prices are at about 14 CR. This is the washroom unit, you can have a look, you have a shower compartment and a WC along with your vanity. Glossera Italiano is the brand of sanitary ware. Guys, आपके पड़ोसी कौन है पता है? आपके पड़ोसी हैं हिंदुस्तान के रिच एंड फेमस। आपके पड़ोसी हैं द रेजिडेंट्स ऑफ द DLF अरालियाज। ये रहा DLF अरालियाज right at your knocking doorstep. So you are on the golf course road. सारे corporates आसपास हैं. Investors, this deal is for you. And why I have called it the Mussoorie of Gurgaon is क्योंकि आज जैसे बारिश होने वाली है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि काश मेरे पास ये कमरा होता और मैं इसको ले लेता। अगर आप एक बैचलर हैं और आप इसको रेंट आउट करना चाहते हैं तो नीचे दिया हुआ है नंबर रेंटल के लिए। इस पे आपको मिलेंगे नेहरा जी आपको इस बिल्डिंग्स की डिटेल बता देंगे। एंड इफ यू आर लुकिंग टू परचेज दिस बिल्डिंग देन माय नंबर इज लिस्टेड बिलो एंड यू कैन कॉल मी। आई एम चेतन, आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग टू यू दिस प्रॉपर्टी इन द मसूरी ऑफ गुड़गांव। वो देखो बारिश होने वाली है, अगर बारिश हो जाती ना तो व्यूज इस पे और बढ़ जाते, लेकिन ठीक है। दिस इज द टेरेस स्पेस विच यू गेट विद द पेंट हाउसेज। देयर आर 2 rooms ऑन द पेंट हाउस। दिस इज द सेकेंड रूम, यू कैन हैव अ लुक। दिस one's even bigger, brighter, so you can understand that this is a very highly leasable spot. Go inside the room, have a quick glance at it. 15 rooms, 253 square yards. If I have to break up the pricing analysis of this place, I would say that the construction that has been done, structure up, is about 20 lakh rupees per room. That is the standard cost that comes across to build a structure of this quality. And then you can add up the plot rates in this sector when we get on a call, and we will tell you why buying this deal right now in one of the undervalued sectors of Golf Course Road is going to be one of the best decisions that you make in Gurgaon in 2025. This is Chetan Kaushal, your favorite realtor, saying Jai Hind and bye-bye for today.